Welcome to This and That. My name's William, and this is part 2 of the stuck bucket pins. Now unstuck, and now we gotta get all the rust cleaned off of the pins, the brackets, and get it reinstalled. So let's get started. Alright, I got some 80 grit emery cloth here. I'm gonna get these pins in a vise and get them cleaned up, and clean out the holes on these brackets. Go ahead and clean these out. I do have another set of these that came with the tractor, but they're supposed to be for an extension. I haven't been able to find yet. There's a lot of rust in there. You feel it. Now, where's the grease at? There it is. A little bit of Emicroft does wonders. I'm going to get this more towards the vise. Well, it was easier than I expected it to be. Alright, got our pins out of there. A lot easier than I expected that to be. I ain't gonna complain. Usually it isn't. Alright, so we can clean this one up just a little bit. And we can put it back together. Oh, no, we can't put it back together. Because the bushing I have is too wide. I got to cut it so that the grease can get in. Because right now it's blocking the grease fitting. The object of this is just to break the rust off. You don't have to get them shiny. All right. That part's done. Let's get it put back together. All right, I gotta get Zerk fittings in this thing. And these holes are full of gunk. Zerk fittings won't go in, so I gotta run a tap in there. Having to use a wrench because the handle for the tap won't fit in this area. Alright, so that's pretty much to the end. And I don't want to come out. Yeah, this one. This is the one I'm having problems with. The tap doesn't even want to start. There we go. All kinds of rust and stuff, and it's starting to rain. Okay, so it rained for a minute and stopped. So we'll finish tapping this hole. And get it in there. There we go. You see, I already put the other Zerk fitting in. Because I can work in the rain. Do have to be careful doing this so I don't snap the tap. I'm not sure this ever had Zerk fittings in it, to be honest. There was paint inside the threads. That should be good enough. Let's start backing it back out. Could have been an oversight at the factory when they built it. Unless it was painted again. I didn't paint this part of the tractor. Let me get some brake cleaner. See if I can flush that stuff out of there. Oh yeah, it's clear. Let's go get the Zerk fit. Oh, wait a minute. I got one in my hand. So we can get this thing to start. Oh, there's the channel. Oh, yeah, straight right. Oh, damn it. I mean, shucks. Try to be family friendly here. There we go. I think. Nope. Let's try a different one. There we go. All right. And a bug is it. All right. That appears to be in there. We'll call that done. This one's going to take some work. I have no idea how I'm going to get that out of there. Appears to have a bunch of rust on it. Hot diggity dog. Look at that. Came out. That hole's plugged. Drill this out. I do hear thunder. Alright, hole's drilled all the way through. Now I gotta knock that bushing out there and cut it. Or put a grease groove in it. Might just put a grease groove in it. And drill more holes. Alright, so we'll give this a shot of brake cleaner. And knock that bushing out of there after we put in the Zerk fitting, and I'm going to put a grease screw in it. And wrench. Alright, new Zerk fitting's in. Let's punch this bushing out and put a grease groove in it. I'll just use this. All right. Now I'm going to drill a series of holes all the way around this. Really don't get it in here. Okay, so now I got a grease groove in there, a whole bunch of holes for the grease to go in case it spins. Doesn't look beautiful, but it'll serve the purpose. I know it's causing a weak point in the bushing, but frankly, this bushing cost me $7, not the $100 plus that John Deere wanted for a bushing the same size. I was lucky to find some that were the same size inner and outer diameter. But I know where to get them for $7, so that's, if I break it, I can buy another one. And also, if it does break, it'll probably be a long time from now, and it won't be my problem. It'll be it'll be my son's problem. All right. Let's put the pins back in. All right, so I'm going to slather some grease in these holes before I get started. It's got grease, but it never hurts to put more in. This squirrel's been up here eating walnuts. All right, let's find all my washers. I do believe they're in the bucket. Yay. All right, so let's get this thing put together. There's the pen. I'm going to slide it through first because I did put grease in. I did not put grease in that other hole. All right, now we're ready. Slide this pen through. A little too far. Okay. I'm going to assume that goes on the inside. The part number was on the outside. Alright, slip some grease on this thing and can't slide it on there. Bump stop inside. Doesn't want to go on. Oh, it's gonna go on. I get this grease off my hands. I'm going through rags with this grease faster than a baby goes through a bag of diapers. Alright, this has to go this way. Simply because it won't fit the other way. Line it up and drive it home. Oh, I gotta put grease in these doodads here. That didn't happen while I was working down there. That would have hurt. Last pen. And the fun part. Oh, dang it. Oh, got grease in it? No. Man, I'm just missing all these holes. That's what she said. Alright. This up here, hopefully it's at the right height. And it is not. Alright, so gotta start the tractor. Well, I tell you, that tractor starts up so easy since I switched it over to 12 volt. Alright, that's all we had to do. We had to lift the bucket up a little bit so we could swing it. Tractor starts right up. I tell you, it was 24 volt. It didn't like to start. It was a little bit of a chore. Alright, so you pull this out. This is going to be fun. Let me get my bar. Since I washed my hands, I can pick stuff up. Alright. My problem is that's going to be in the way. So we'll swing this down. Alright, that'll work. So now I got a new problem. I'm gonna have to two things at once. Well, I know there's grease in there. Or was grease in there. Got a little overzealous, pushed pin in too far. Alright. Bring this down. Get grease all over it. Push pin in. Now we gotta get this up. Gotta get it up here. That's what she said, Joe. Gotta get it up. At least we can set the bucket back down. Now let's start it for that. We do got to start it. Yeah, try to curl them. Maybe just push down on it. Nope. We got it, folks. All right. That'll be it for this episode of This and That. I hope you can hear me over the tractor. I kept it running so I can get it out of the grass. It would have been a lot harder had I not fixed that press. I'm glad I did. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and watch it if you want. So if you like what you saw, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks to all the people who have subscribed so far. And y'all have a nice day.